Ever wonder which kitchen products are actually worth the money? Don't worry. Today I'm sharing 13 chef-approved essentials that are totally worth the splurge. And don't forget, the affiliate shopping link is right at the top of this video's description. Click it to check the best deals before prices change. 1. HexClad 10-inch Hybrid Wok. This wok is a favorite among many professional chefs, including Food Network champion Priyanka Naik. She loves its hybrid design that combines non-stick performance with stainless steel durability. The tall sides keep oil from splattering, perfect for stir-fries, noodles, and rice dishes. Users say it's super easy to clean and still looks brand new after months of use. The only downside? It's pricey. But for something this durable and versatile, it's worth every cent. Lodge 10 25-inch cast iron skillet, a true kitchen legend. Chef Karishma Pradhan says, "I've used my Lodge skillet for over 10 years. From frying to baking, it never fails. It holds heat beautifully and gives that perfect, crispy golden sear. The catch? You'll need to season it with oil after washing to maintain the surface." One buyer wrote, "Yes, it's heavy, but the flavor it gives my food is unmatched." 3. Shun Classic 8-inch Chef's Knife. A great knife can completely change how you cook. Pradhan says, "I reach for my Shun knife every single day. It's sharp, light, and perfectly balanced." Bonus point, Shun offers free lifetime sharpening services. One reviewer said, "It slices onions like butter. No strain, no slipping. It's not cheap, but this is truly a professional-grade knife built to last." John Booz and Comer Maple Cutting Board chef Naik advises, avoid plastic or glass cutting boards. Plastic can flake into your food, and glass will dull your knives. This thick, sturdy maple board stays firmly in place and is naturally antimicrobial. Buyers love how premium it feels, like chopping on a restaurant prep table. Just oil it occasionally, and it'll last a decade or more. Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. If you bake or like precision cooking, a digital scale is a must-have. Chef Ann Ziada says, "It's far more accurate than measuring cups and cuts down on dishwashing." Users praise it as accurate, durable, and super easy to use. At only around $27, it's one of the best value kitchen tools you can buy. 6. Oro Silicone Spatula. It might look simple, but this spatula is a powerhouse. Pradhan says, "I use it for eggs, ice cream, folding batter, basically everything. Its one-piece design resists cracking and makes cleaning effortless. Buyers love how flexible it is and how it never melts under heat like cheap ones." Cuisinart. Custom 14-cup food processor, Chef Ziada calls this her go-to machine for dips, sauces, and even nut butter. The razor-sharp blade and heavy base make blending stable and smooth. It includes slicing and shredding attachments that cut prep time in half. One user said, "It's quiet, powerful, and easy to clean. Totally worth it." It's a bit large, but if you cook often, you'll use it every single day. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender, the powerhouse of the kitchen. Chef Patrick Lee calls it the superhero of all blenders. It crushes tough veggies, nuts, and ice effortlessly, giving restaurant-quality textures. Users rave, smoothies, soups, even baby food. It blends everything perfectly. It's expensive. Yes, but it's an investment that lasts for years. KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer. No baker's kitchen is complete without one of these. Chef Lee jokes, "I just stand there while my KitchenAid does all the work." It mixes dough, whips cream, and kneads bread flawlessly. Users love its sleek design, powerful motor, and wide range of attachments. If you're on a budget, the classic version is also excellent. Remember to click the affiliate link in the description below. The prices are great right now, but they could go up anytime, so don't miss out. 10. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This 1800-watt multitasker can toast, bake, broil, air fry, and even grill. It fits 6 slices of bread or a whole chicken. Perfect for families. Users say, "It replaced my old oven and saves so much counter space. The only downside? It's a bit bulky. But since it replaces several appliances, that's a fair trade." Ninja 5-quart Air Fryer. With air crisp technology, it gives you crispy, golden results with little to no oil. Users love how compact it is and how fries turn out better than takeout. Chef Lee says, "It's ideal for small families and quick weeknight meals. It's a 5-in-1 machine. Air fry, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. So convenient." 12. Instant Pot Vortex plus 6QT Air Fryer. Its clear cook window lets you watch your food without opening the basket. Even crisp technology creates perfect crunch with 95% less oil. Users say it's stylish, easy to clean, and lets me save my favorite presets. It's powerful, family-sized, and surprisingly affordable. 3. ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. If you love grilling or roasting, this is a game changer. It gives an instant, ultra-accurate reading in just 3 seconds. The auto-rotating backlit display and magnetic back make it easy to use anywhere. One reviewer said, "Now my steaks come out perfect medium rare every single time." Waterproof, fast, and reliable, a must-have for precision cooks. So there you have it. 13 chef-recommended kitchen products truly worth investing in. If you want to take your cooking to the next level, click the affiliate link in the video description to check the latest prices and deals. Remember, prices can change anytime. Don't wait too long. And if you enjoy honest, chef-backed product reviews like this, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to support the channel and see more great videos soon.